Zoneworks XT HIVE is the most advanced emergency lighting system in the world, developed by Clevertronics, the leaders in emergency lighting innovation. Zoneworks XT HIVE is simple, fast and powerful, allowing you to save time and costs across design, installation, commissioning, testing and maintenance. Zoneworks XT HIVE guarantees the management of up to 1,000 fittings for each RF gateway. Once Hive fittings are installed and powered up, they automatically create a network by self-discovering others around them using dynamic self-managed meshing. From here, switch on the gateway to provide access and control of the emergency lighting system. The fitting register can now easily be uploaded, and a smartphone or tablet can be used to perform local fitting diagnostics and identification. Zoneworks XT HIVE. Simple, fast, powerful.